Jai Hind. Today again we are here for a session of English conversation with Sachin Kumar Mehto. So Sachin, I would like to ask you the first question
Yes, please.
because as far as I have heard about you, you are from Hindi background, right?
Yes.
So could you please say something about your daily routine? How did you manage to learn English?
Okay. As all know, recently is COVID-19 is going on in our India. So we have a much time to prepare about our dream. And I am a Hindi medium student. So my first dream to learning about English language because it's very necessary. And as you know, in our future only on English depend our English. And for getting job, English is very necessary. And in my home, means COVID-19 time, I have much time to practice about English. So I practice I practice in English, and I watch some video on YouTube by Army Boys on YouTube channel, and I did some conversation classes of English, and right now I am doing this thing. And after that I practiced in my home, in self practice I did, and it's depend on if you will do more practice, then if you can speak English fluent, because practice is necessary for doing any work. So for speaking anything or doing anything, we will have to practice. Thank you.
Okay. So during COVID-19, you started your conversation journey, as a student,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And after I think 2 or 3 months, you became or you got a chance to be a teacher. So just could you please speak something about that journey? How you became a teacher from a normal student?
Okay. First, I'm studying. Okay. First, I was a student, and when I joined that time in this conversations group, and I was feeling, okay, I can't do English. I can't speak English because my background is in Hindi medium, and it's people mindset. If you are Hindi medium, then you can't learn. So I want to I have to prove it's wrong this thing, because I want to learn English, and so I joined in English Army classes, and there was for 2 months, as I told you, I was a student. After that I got chance to become a student,
Become a teacher.
become a
Yes.
teacher,
Yeah.
because and you can think in 2 months, and now people are thinking it's very easy to become a teacher. It's not hard, and all are my teacher, they are not looking my work hard. And during 2 months, what did I do? No one will ask, because in 2 months I did practice. I did conversation. I president to learn English. So in 2 months I did full practice. I said to myself, like, I have to learn English. So I did regular practice. I did conversation classes. I gave my more time to learn English. That's why now, as I got chance to become a teacher. Now right now I'm doing this.
Okay. And yes, most of the times you are just saying that I am from Hindi medium and I am not from English medium. So just tell me one thing. Do you really think the English medium or Hindi medium? Do you really think the English medium or Hindi medium is important to learn English, or is it like this that only the English medium students can learn English?
No, it's not important, because if we will say in foreign side, there is no any, all people can speak English. And child means like 4 years old, 5 years old, they can speak. But in India, they can't speak, because their environment Hindi, English, and it's Indian mindset. We can't speak, but according to and our Indian environment is Hindi. All people speak in Hindi most of the time, but in foreign side, if you will say, they're always in English, all thing in English. So in India, if people will speak in English, they will try to speak in English, then they will be able to speak very easily, because it's not hard. It's very easy to Hindi, because in Hindi there is very, if as you have and you all have give exam. In exam you can take full marks in English subject, but you can't take full marks in Hindi. But Hindi is very hard, but English is very easy. In Indian people speak English is very hard, but
You are the first guy who is saying Hindi is hard. Hindi is tougher than English. Okay. So today we have come somewhere, I think, right? And because you guys have decided to come or to go for the picnic. So today we have come for a picnic. So how did you choose this place? Or what do you know about this place? Just explain something about this place.
and it's a very nice place. And all friends said because because in COVID-19 all were in home, and we decided to go in a picnic, and we choose this place, and it's very nice place, and we wanted to do something there because in all picnic we means we do only have dance and another thing, we don't do another thing, but we decided to we will do something, and now that's why we are doing we are taking session, and now we are
It's not a session. It's just kind of enjoyment.
Yeah,
it's not a
enjoyment,
session.
yes.
Okay.
and yeah, it's enjoyment, we are doing, all people enjoy like they dance, we are enjoying like this, and it's
Another people are just thinking, what this kind of what
yeah,
the guys are doing.
all people are looking
They are just looking at us. They are just laughing on us.
Yeah.
It's fine. We don't care of what the another guys are thinking about us.
yeah,
Yeah. Continue.
but yeah, it's mind. And when we speak in English, that time we think what will people say, and now if we will think here कि what will people say, then we can't do this thing. Then where will I do
Yeah.
this thing? If we want to there, then it's very nice places you can see in background, so we decided to do this thing.
Okay. We could have done this session, or we could have done this kind of activities at in our home also. So why did you choose this place only?
Okay.
Are you enjoying here?
Yeah, I'm full enjoying because
Okay. Aren't you feeling any kind of hesitation here to speak in front of the people,
no,
or in a picnic place?
no, because
What are you feeling right now?
and now I'm feeling very good, and now I'm not hesitate to speak because when I was a student, that time I was feeling hesitate because until and unless you will feel hesitate, then you can't learn, and you will have to leave your hesitate. When you will leave, then you can speak English, but you can do all things whatever you wanted to do, means yeah. And now if now there we will feel hesitate, then how will we do, and where will we make this thing?
Okay. So as as you told, or as I know about you, that you are a teacher also, right?
Yeah.
So even means you are working as a teacher also during conversation classes. So you are taking some classes on over the phone. So if you got a chance to take the classes in front of some students, so will you be able to do that?
Yes.
Or
obviously.
if yes, then how will you feel in the starting time?
But it's starting time, and I would like to share my feeling. When I started to this session, then I was feeling very hesitate, so now I am not feeling hesitate as a teacher, so there I also won't feel hesitate.
Okay, so you are yeah, according to me you are just a kid right now. Means
Yeah.
I think you are 16 or
Yeah,
17.
16 years old.
You just passed your matriculation.
Yeah,
So how do you feel? One thing is sure that your classmates, they are not aware of this kind of things, that you have done this kind of achievement in your life. You have got. So how do you feel? Do you feel better than them?
yeah, I am feeling very better than, because, and as I have told you many times, I am Hindi background, and Hindi background, all people, my friend said in school time we can't speak in English, and I wanted to prove this thing wrong. That's why I started to speak in English, and yeah, during lockdown I practiced my English, and during lockdown they all had a chance to do anything for our dream. So many people did enjoyment only, but I did my practice for my future, and I had to prove wrong to my all friend. We can't speak in English, we belong in Hindi medium. So I learned English during lockdown, and that thing.
Okay. One last question. Which kind of advices you would like to give to the people who always think English is tougher to speak?
First, whoever thinks English is very tough, it's a wrong mindset, because as I told you, in exam Hindi is very hard, because in Hindi we can't take full marks, but in English you can take. But yeah, it's correct. It's happened with all students, and first we will have to change our mindset. Our mindset is when we will think we can learn English, and then we can do. First we will have to think in our mind कि I have to learn, I have to do something, and there then we can do. And so our mindset is very important. If you will think I can't do, then any people can't do. And in Abdul Kalam, if Abdul Kalam thought कि I can't make any missile, then till now there in India there was no one any missile. And Abdul Kalam thought कि I can make and I should make, then he did this thing. Now we can say in our sky there is many missile. Thank you.
Okay. Your all answers were fantastic. just continue and just keep growing and growing and growing, then definitely you will be, you know, doing something better than another people's, right? So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.